Today, I am reviewing the Breville Barista Express Impress Espresso machine. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let us start this review by addressing the defining feature of this machine, which is the Impress puck system. In a standard manual espresso machine, you have to grind the beans into a portafilter, use a separate scale to weigh the dose, level it out with your fingers, and then use a manual tamper to press it down with exactly the right amount of force. If your tamp is crooked, the water will find the path of least resistance, causing channeling and a bitter, under-extracted shot. Breville has completely eliminated this steep learning curve with their intelligent dosing and assisted tamping system. When you lock the 54mm stainless steel portafilter into the grinding cradle, the smart dosing system automatically calculates the correct amount of fresh coffee based on your last extraction. It grinds the beans directly into the basket, keeping all the loose grounds contained so your countertop stays absolutely pristine. Once the grinding stops, you do not pull the portafilter out. Instead, you simply pull down on the lever located on the left side of the machine. This activates the assisted tamping mechanism, which delivers a perfectly consistent 10 kilograms of downward pressure. Right at the very end of the stroke, it executes a clever 7-degree barista twist. This twist mirrors the exact motion a professional barista uses to polish the surface of the coffee puck, ensuring a perfectly flat, clean, and polished surface. After you tamp, a helpful light gauge on the front of the machine indicates whether your dose is too low, too high, or perfectly in the green zone. If it is slightly off, the machine auto-corrects the grind time for your very next shot. It takes all the stressful guesswork out of manual espresso making, giving you the satisfaction of a manual machine without any of the mess or frustration. To get the perfect extraction, you need total control over your grind size, and the integrated conical burr grinder delivers exactly that with 25 distinct grind settings. This wide range allows you to fine-tune your grind size to match whatever specific coffee beans you are using, whether you prefer a light, medium, or dark roast. The burrs are built tough and spin at an optimized speed to preserve the delicate oils and flavors of the beans. When it comes to the actual brewing process, the internal tech is highly impressive. It utilizes a robust thermocoil heating system paired with a digital PID temperature control. In plain terms, this means the machine manages the water temperature, flow rate, and contact time with extreme precision. The water is heated to the exact optimal temperature for espresso extraction, preventing the coffee from tasting sour or burnt. When you press the single or double shot button, the machine starts with a low-pressure pre-infusion, gently soaking the coffee puck before ramping up to full pressure. This gradual pressure increase ensures a beautifully even extraction with a thick, golden crema on top. If you like to experiment, you can also customize the volumetric shot control or manually adjust the brewing temperature. For those who love milk-based drinks like lattes, flat whites, or cappuccinos, the manual microfoam steam wand on this machine is phenomenal. Unlike cheaper machines that just blow hot air and create big, soapy bubbles, this powerful steam wand allows you to hand texture your milk into a silky, glossy microfoam. It introduces the perfect amount of tiny air bubbles, which enhances both the natural sweetness of the milk and the overall texture of your beverage. It gives you the exact consistency you need to practice latte art right in your own kitchen. In terms of build and capacity, the brushed stainless steel finish is incredibly sleek, durable, and easy to wipe down. It features a massive 2-liter water tank and a 250-gram bean hopper, meaning you can easily brew several drinks in a row without constantly refilling the machine. Breville also includes a rich package of accessories right in the box, including a 480ml stainless steel milk jug, single and dual wall filter baskets for both single and double shots, a water filter holder, cleaning tablets, and their signature razor precision trimming tool. Plus, when you buy and register the machine, Breville offers 2 free bags of specialty coffee to get you started immediately. To conclude, the Breville Barista Express Impress is a masterful piece of engineering that perfectly bridges the gap between convenience and authentic espresso quality. It automates the messy, difficult parts of the process while still letting you feel like a craft barista. If you want cafe-quality drinks at home without a brutal learning curve, this machine is an incredible investment, and there is no better time to upgrade your morning routine than during these Prime Day deals.